10,
Hydnora africana. We would all like to think that plants smell nice and provide nature a scent that is too good to resist. For the most part, this is true, but then you have plants like the Hydnora africana, which is out to prove everyone wrong. The plant is widely known for its terrible scent that it emits, which some claim is worse than the smell of feces. It grows mainly below the soil except for the part that you are looking at, which is also the source for its terrible scent. But it's not all for bad intentions, however. The plant actually does this to attract natural pollinators as well as different bugs to feed on.
9,
Wolffia. Although they don't look like your typical plants, the Wolffia includes some of the most smallest flowering plants on Earth. These are aquatic plants that resemble cornmeal and float on water. In terms of structure, these plants have no roots at all to grow from. They go through a type of reproduction called vegetative reproduction, which basically means that they can multiply. What's also interesting about these plants is that they're packed with lots of nutrients, including protein. But of course, the most bizarre thing about these plants is just how they feel if you were to touch them in your hands.
8,
The lithops. What you're looking at right here is not exactly a rock, but an actual plant. The lithops are a type of plant that can camouflage into a rock in order to protect itself. And unlike most plants, the lithops grows its leaves underneath the soil so that predators would not see it as a plant. The plant can be found in a variety of different colors, shapes, and sizes, making it one of the most diverse and creepy plants out there.
7,
The Chinese black bat flower. I'll give you a few seconds to guess what this plant is. Did you guess it? Most likely your answer was a bat, not only because of the name, but also because it, well, looks like a bat. See for yourself with this freaky side-by-side. When it isn't hanging upside down, the plant's leaves unfold and presents itself more like a plant. Farmers have used the Chinese black bat flowers to strike fear into critters, and unlike a scarecrow, this might actually make some animals jump.
6,
The Cape Sundew. So this plant is a pretty bizarre one. The Cape Sundew, for the most part, grows and functions like any other plant would. But what's odd and a bit crazy about the Cape Sundew is that it's actually a carnivore, meaning it only eats animals. Sure, there are other carnivorous plants out there, but this one is pretty cruel. Unlike the other plants, the Cape Sundew doesn't have a mouth to trap its prey, but rather an arm that wraps insects and slowly kills and crunches them.